Welcome to our channel. Today we how to enable Wiza to collect LinkedIn lead lists for outreach step by step clearly. Open your preferred web browser. Navigate to the Wiza website. If you don't have an account, click on the sign up button. Enter your email address and create a secure password. After signing up, verify your email by clicking on the link sent to your inbox. Log into your Wiza account. Once logged in, go to the dashboard. Locate the option for LinkedIn integration. Click on the integration option to begin the setup. You will be prompted to connect your LinkedIn account. Click on the Connect LinkedIn button. A new window will appear asking you to log into your LinkedIn account. Enter your LinkedIn credentials and sign in. Grant Wiza the necessary permissions to access your LinkedIn data. Once permissions are granted, return to the Wiza dashboard. Next, navigate to the lead list creation section. Click on Create New List to start a new project. You will see options to filter your search criteria. Select the industry, job title, or location relevant to your outreach. Once your filters are applied, click on Search. Wiza will begin retrieving data based on your selected criteria. After a few moments, you will see the results of your LinkedIn leads. Review the list to ensure it meets your outreach needs. If satisfied, click on the Collect Leads button. Wiza will compile the leads into a downloadable format. Once the collection is complete, locate the download option. Click on the link to download your lead list. You can now open this file in your preferred spreadsheet application. Use the downloaded lead list for your outreach campaigns effectively. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.